Experience the fully furnished, solar-powered smart home here in Angla City, just minutes away from Clark. As you open the automated gate, you will see the clean and secure one-car garage with easy access leading to the back of the house. Beside it is your refreshing mini garden, setting a peaceful tone before stepping inside. Upon entering the smart lock front door, you're greeted by a spacious and beautifully arranged living area. Next is your elegant 8-seater dining space, ideal for family gatherings. And here's your bright, fully equipped modern kitchen, ready for a happy everyday cooking. Just beyond the sliding doors, and you'll find your private dipping pool. The dirty kitchen, laundry area, and a maid's room with its own toilet and bath. Everything you need for practical, organized living. Back inside is a powder room with a shower, and a fully furnished bedroom with its own toilet and bath, perfect for elders or guests. On the second floor is a cozy family area with access to the front balcony. There's also a convenient powder room on this level. Then we have bedroom 1, fully furnished with its own toilet and bath. Bedroom 2, same complete design and comfort. And finally, the master's bedroom. With its own toilet and bath, a mini walk-in closet, and elegant hotel-inspired interiors. This home is move-in ready, energy efficient, smart, and designed for families who want style, comfort, and premium living. If you want to elevate your lifestyle, this is the home you've been waiting for.